Another quick way to bring jobs into matching mode is using the Chrome extension. And this is where you start to see an integration with the job tracker. But let me go ahead and show you that just in case you're not using the job tracker, how you'd go about doing that. So you need to install the extension. I'd watch the video on how to install the extension. There's a module on that. But now I'm over on LinkedIn, and this works on over 40 different job boards. And we try to get it working on certain career sites as well. So here I have the duck up on LinkedIn, and I'm going to bring that up. And so as I click around jobs, you can see that it is pulling in information into the Chrome extension. So like this job, say I like it. I'll go ahead and save it. This job, I'll save it. Now it's below my salary, so it must have detected something incorrectly. It might be looking at some other number in the JD. So, always be mindful of that. We try our best to detect it, but if it looks for numbers, it might be pulling. Yeah, it looks like it's pulling in some of this. Epic Games, cool company. Let's go ahead and save that. So now I've got 3 other jobs that I just saved. And if I go view them on my job tracker, here they are, right? They all just got saved. I can click here and I can expand that. And so if I come back over to the job tracker, I can either switch jobs. Say I'm just like focusing on creating content in my resume. I could switch to a different job. So here's the one at Cardone Ventures, or let's switch to the one at Epic Games. And that's at 15%. And so that's a quick way to just kind of check and see how's my score given the current content. Now, it's scoring based on what is turned on. So, we are going to be releasing soon an ability to auto-select your content. So depending on when you're watching this, that may or may not be live already, which I'll make a module on that as soon as it is live. But you can see see how my score changes as I turn things on and off. And so that's the benefit of having the career history, as you can check things on and off, and you don't have to create entirely new content every single time. Now, you may want to match other jobs. So let's take here resume 2, and we can connect a job right here. And we'll connect that one back to the Planet Fitness job. And so if I go to my resume builder, now I've got, each one attached. And we really recommend that you have a job per resume that you create. It's entirely up to you. Obviously, it's more work. And I think about a 50% match minimum. But you'll see in the Teal Plus version, you can start to ignore keywords. You can add custom keywords. So job matching really kind of goes to the next level when you upgrade to Teal Plus. But there's still plenty you can do on the free version of Teal.